教宗良14世同教廷部嘅高層成員一同喺梵蒂岡發布佢頒布嘅第一道通諭。教宗進場嘅時候受到在場人士嘅歡迎。同教宗隨行嘅有書記、神學家以及人工智能領域嘅專家，當中包括嚟自 Anthropic 公司嘅克里斯多福·奧拉。該公司因拒絕將其開發嘅技術用於特定軍事目的，而與特朗普政府發生糾紛。教宗對佢嘅出席表示感謝。
In turn, in the name of the Church, I accept your invitation to walk together, to listen and to speak, and together to find the way for humanity in this time of artificial intelligence. What a great sign of hope it is that with our differences, we can listen to one another.
教宗良14世亦藉此機會公開指明佢撰寫呢道通諭嘅原因。
Other very troubling voices have also reached me about increasingly autonomous weapons systems, practically beyond any human reach to govern them effectively. I hear very troubling accounts of algorithms that can block access to healthcare, employment, and security on the basis of data tainted by prejudice and injustice.
教宗再次重申教會對核武嘅立場，強調推動裁軍工作仍喺度繼續。教宗表示呢項努力係為和平以及人類大家庭嘅尊嚴服務。教宗同時亦作出重要澄清，解除武裝並唔足夠，我哋亦必須建立和平。